Hello and welcome to the video today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Task Force Arrowhead Radio Beta on your Arma 3 launcher as well as TeamSpeak 3, so you're all set up for the servers that use a different version of Task Force Radio. So first off, what you want to do is you want to open up your Steam client here and you want to find Arma 3 in your library. You're then going to go to Browse the Workshop. You want to search up Task. Well, let's Task Force Arrowhead Radio Beta, just like that. And then most popular. And then you'll see this one here, the first one. This is the logo for it by Deadman Miller. I'll leave a link to it in the description as well for you guys. You want to click subscribe. It might, if you don't have CBA, which you most likely will, if you don't, just install that as well. Subscribe to it. Once that's all done downloading, you will then open up your Arma 3 launcher. You'll come to the dashboard and all. Then you go to mods. Let's just remove that. And then, you got your loaded mods here, and then you got your available mods. As you can see, this is the Steam Workshop. Task Force Arrowhead Radio Beta. Just gonna check that, and it's already set up in game for you. It's all ready for you now. Now what you need to do is right click this, right here, and then you'll see where it says open folder. Open that folder. Just click understand. Don't mess with any files, or else have problems. So now we're going to install the TeamSpeak the TeamSpeak add-on, so you'll be able to join this Task Force Radio channel once you join the server that has Task Force Radio. So as you can see here, we went through, we opened this right here, open folder, yep, I understand, and you'll see it'll even highlight it for you, Task Force Radio Arrowhead Beta. You're going to double click that, then you see where it says TeamSpeak here, open that up. Then it says Task Force Radio, double click that, and then you're going to click install. You're about to install it, yep, yes, and I already have it installed, which is why it says this, but it shouldn't say that for you. If it does, leave a comment, ask, I can help you out with that. And now you're going to go over to TeamSpeak. It'll ask you to restart it once it's installed correctly. Once you restart it, join back on your server that you play on. Go to your tools, options, and then you'll be on the application. You'll go to the add-ons, and then you see here Task Force Arma 3 Radio and then Task Force Arrowhead Radio. The Task Force Arma 3 Radio is a different version, not the version that we use on our server. It might be on yours, but you're on the wrong video if you want to know how to do Arma 3 Radio. So we're on Arrowhead Radio today. So it's enabled for me right now, but if I go ahead and disable it, and then you scroll down to the bottom here, Task Force Arrowhead Radio, you want to enable this one, boom, and then click OK, and then you want to find yourself in the TeamSpeak, and then you see here it says this is the correct. It needs to look exactly like this, or else there's some, you just want to make sure it looks like this, and it should be working. And then when you join the server that has Arrowhead Radio working with it, then you'll be moved to this Task Force Radio channel. And as long as you have a channel in your TeamSpeak that is exactly like this, there's no special, there's nothing really in it. It's just called Task Force Radio, no spaces, and it should find that for you in your TeamSpeak, and then it will move you into the channel, and you'll be good to go. And I will leave any links in the description below. Although if you are looking for a Milsim server, I highly encourage you join this 196 Light Infantry Brigade. We are a unsung Vietnam War military sim. We have lots of photos here from some ops we've done, and we'd love to have new members. So I'll put a link in the description for the Discord, and you can go ahead and join us on some operations. Well, I hope you learned a thing or two here today. And yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, put them in the comments or join our Discord and we can help you out. And yeah, hope you all have a great day.